How to add a voiceover in Openshot. Want to narrate your video like a pro? Here's how to add a voiceover in Openshot. First, record your voiceover using any audio recording tool of your choice. Save the file in a standard format like MP3 or WAV. Now open Openshot and click the plus icon to import your voiceover file into the project file panels. Once it's in, drag it down to the timeline on an audio track. You can move the clip left or right to sync it perfectly with the visuals. Want to cut or trim it? Use the razor tool to slice parts and keep only the good text. Use the volume property in a properties panel if the audio is too loud or soft. You can also add fade in or fade out for smoother transitions. Add background music on a separate track, then lower the music volume to highlight your voice. What kind of videos are you narrating? Tutorials, vlogs, or stories? Let me know in the comments below. And once done, preview your video with the voiceover and export your final creation. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.